Good morning. Today's topic aromatic hydrocarbons. First, hydrocarbons means the compounds which are obtained by the combination of carbon hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. Compounds which are obtained by the combination of carbon hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. Here, aromatic hydrocarbons means aroma means sweet smell. Aromatic compounds means the compounds which exhibit sweet smell. The concept of aromacity means benzenine compounds which resembles benzene in their properties are known as aromatic compounds. Again, benzene and compounds which resemble benzene in their properties are known as aromatic compounds. The character associated with these compounds is called aromacity or aromatic character. The characteristic properties of aromatic hydrocarbons is first one, their molecular formula suggests high degree of unsaturation. They were resistant to addition reaction, but they mainly undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. Second one, the molecules are cyclic and contain 5, 6, or 7-membered rings. Third property, the molecules are highly stable and possess high value of resonance energy. Fourth one, the molecules are generally flat or planar molecules. Here, Huckel's rule. Huckel's rule is stated as a cyclic planar molecules containing a cyclic cloud of 4n plus 2 pi electrons, delocalized pi electrons, where n is an integer 0, 1, 2, 3, etc., is considered to be aromatic. This is known as Huckel's 4n plus 2 rule. Huckel arrived at this rule basing on quantum mechanics. Huckel's rule is stated as a cyclic planar molecule containing a cyclic cloud of 4n plus 2 delocalized pi electron, where n is an integer 0, 1, 2, 3 is considered to be aromatic. This is known as Huckel's 4n plus 2 rule. Huckel arrived at this rule basing on quantum mechanics. The aromatic nature of compound can be predicted by the application of Huckel's rule. According to this rule, first point, the molecules or ions must be flat or planar. Second point, it should have cyclic cloud of delocalized pi electron cloud above and below the plane of the molecule. Third, the total number of pi electrons in the molecule or ion should follow 4n plus 2 pi rule, where n is an integer. It should be 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. If n is equal to 1, number of pi electrons are 2. If n is equal to 1, number of pi electrons are 6. N is equal to number of pi electrons are 10. N is equal to 3, number of pi electrons are 14. Here, aromatic compounds means the compounds which are having 4n plus 2 delocalized pi electron cloud with cyclic structure are called aromatic compound. There are two types. One is benzenoid aromatic compounds Second one is non-benzenoid aromatic compounds. Here first, benzenoid aromatic compounds means aromatic compounds having more than one benzene ring. Fused are called polyaromatic hydrocarbons. They are also called as benzenoid aromatic compounds. Example, benzene. Here benzene molecular formula C6H6, it containing 3 double bonds, means 6 pi electrons. It is a cyclic planar molecule. It contains conjugated double bonds. It contains 6 pi electrons. That is, it is followed Ockel's rule. Therefore, benzene acts as aromatic compound. First point is, benzene is an aromatic compound. Why means, benzene molecular formula C6H6. It is a cyclic planar molecule. It contains conjugate double bonds. It contains 6 pi electrons. That it is follows Ockel's rule. Therefore, benzene is an aromatic compound. Second one is naphthalene. Naphthalene molecular formula C10H8. Here, molecules formed when two benzene rings are fused is called naphthalene. It has 5 pi bonds, means 10 pi electrons. According to 4n plus 2 pi rule, 10 pi electrons must be present. N is equal to, it is a 10 pi electron system and it is a aromatic compound. It is benzenoid aromatic compound. Third one, anthracene. Its molecular formula C14H10. Anthracene is formed when the benzene rings are linearly fused. It containing 7 pi bonds, means 14 pi electrons are present in it. If we assume that n is equal to 3, 14 pi electrons must be present according to 4n plus 2 pi rule. Hence, it is also a aromatic compound. Here, all aromatic compounds undergo electrophilic substitution reactions. Here, generally, aromatic compounds are highly unsaturated compounds. It prevent the addition reaction. It undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. In any aromatic system with benzene ring, there is a delocalized cyclic pi electron cloud above and below the plane of the ring. The pi electron cloud is easily available to the electrophile. Hence, benzene or any aromatic compounds undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. For example, benzene plus reagent. It undergo electrophilic substitution, means in the benzene, one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by the electrophile. It gives electrophile substituted benzene plus HNU. Here, the mechanism of electrophilic substitution involves mainly 3 steps. First step is formation of electrophile. Second step is formation of carbonium ion as intermediate. Third step is formation of final product. Here, first formation of electrophile. Here, generally, the asymmetric reagent molecule react with catalyst to form an electrophile. Means it ionized into its constituent ions. The positive charged ions are called electrophile. Negative charged ions are called nucleophile. Here, ENU. When it reacts with catalyst, it gives E plus is an electrophile. Nu minus is nucleophile. Second one, formation of carbonium ion as intermediate. On the approach of electrophile, E plus, benzene undergo electromeric effect with result one carbon atom of the benzene ring gets positive charge and the other atom gets negative charge. The electrophile then attack to the negative center, resulting in the formation of intermediate carbonium ion. This carbonium ion is stabilized by resonance. These resonance structures are as shown below. Once again, on the approach of electrophile, benzene undergo electromeric effect. Electromeric effect means the polarization of the pi electrons into its constituent ions is called electromeric effect. With the result, one carbon atom of the benzene ring gets positive charge and other atom get negative charge. The electrophile then attach to the negative center, resulting in the formation of intermediate carbonium ion. This carbonium ion is stabilized by resonance. These resonance structures are shown below. Example, benzene plus electrophile. Due to electromeric effect, this pi bond is polarized to give H plus, here C plus, C minus. At the negative end of carbon, electrophile should attack. On the negative end of carbon, it gives the intermediate carbonium ion. Is the first one. Then it undergo the carbonium ion is stabilized by resonance. Resonance means delocalization of pi electrons. This pi bond is shifted to shifted towards the carbonium ion, or these pi electrons are donating towards carbonium ion. This positive charge is shifted to para position. Again, these electrons shifted to give electrons to the carbonium ion. The positive charge is shifted to orthocarbon. These are the resonance structures of the intermediate carbonium ion, which is stabilized. Then it gives the fourth one, resonance hybrid structure. Third point, formation of final product. The reaction is completed by the abstraction of proton from the carbon atom bearing by nucleophile. Then we get a substituted product. That is the intermediate resonance structure plus nucleophile. Here this nucleophile abstract proton from the stabilized carbonium ion. Then it gives substituted electrophile substituted benzene plus HNU. It is the mechanism of electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene molecule. Based on this three-step mechanism, we can explain the chemical properties of benzene molecule. There are 5 properties. One is nitration, second one sulfonation, third one halogenation, fourth one Friedel-Crafts alkylation, fifth one Friedel-Crafts acylation. All these 5 reactions involve same mechanism. Example, nitration. Here nitration means benzene react with nitrating mixture. It is a mixture of 1:2 ratio of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid to form. It undergo electrophilic substitution to give nitrobenzene. It is called nitration. Once again, nitration means benzene react with nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture means it is a mixture of 1:2 ratio of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid undergo electrophilic substitution to give nitrobenzene is called nitration. Then its chemical equation is benzene plus nitric acid, sulfuric acid. It gives nitrobenzene plus water. The mechanism, first step is formation of electrophile. Is here the electrophile is nitronium ion. Is produced by the reaction of nitric acid and sulfuric acid. That is HNO3 plus 2H2SO4. It gives NO2 plus H3O plus plus 2HSO4 minus. Here electrophile is NO2 plus, nitronium ion. Second one, formation of carbonium ion as intermediate. This nitronium ion attacks the benzene ring, resulting in the formation of carbonium ion as intermediate. Here that is delocalization of pi electrons in the presence of nitronium ion. This carbon gets negative charge, this carbon gets positive charge. The nitronium ion attacking at the negative end of carbon, it gives the first sector. Delocalization of pi electrons to give para carbon gets positive charge. Again delocalization of pi electrons to give ortho carbon gets positive charge. It is the resonance hybrid structure of nitronium substituted benzene. Next, third step is final formation of final product. Here bisulfate ion abstract proton from the sigma complex, resulting in the formation of nitrogen. Here it is the intermediate resonance hybrid structure, which upon treatment with bisulfate ion, it abstracts the proton from the complex. It gives nitrobenzene plus sulfuric acid is the byproduct. Second one is sulfonation. Here benzene react with concentrated sulfuric acid at 80 degrees centigrade, undergo electrophilic substitution to give benzene sulfonic acid is called sulfonation. Once again, benzene react with sulfuric acid at 80 degrees centigrade, undergo electrophilic substitution to give benzene sulfonic acid is called sulfonation. Chemical equation is benzene plus sulfuric acid at 80 degrees centigrade, undergo electrophilic substitution to give benzene sulfonic acid plus water. Then again mechanism 3 step. First step, formation of electrophile, that is sulfuric acid plus sulfuric acid, it gives sulfur trioxide. Then H3O plus neutral electrophile, OA, that is HSO4 minus. Here sulfur trioxide is a neutral electrophile. This sulfur trioxide attack on benzene ring leads to the formation of resonance stabilized carbonium ion as intermediate. That is benzene plus sulfur trioxide, which is a neutral electrophile. Due to the delocalization of pi electrons, this carbon gets negative charge. The negative charge carbon is attacked by sulfur trioxide. It gives the intermediate complex compound. Delocalization of pi electrons, we will get the 3 resonating structures. It is the resonance hybrid structure. Finally, formation of final product is this bisulfate ion abstract proton from the complex to give, that is benzene sulfonic acid as a main product. That is this one abstract proton from the protonated water to give benzene sulfonic acid. It is the mechanism of sulfonation of benzene. Next, halogenation. Halogenation brings benzene on treatment with chlorine in the presence of halogen carrier like iron or ferric chloride, undergo electrophilic substitution to give chlorobenzene. Benzene on treatment with chlorine in presence of halogen carrier, that is iron or ferric chloride, undergo electrophilic substitution to give chlorobenzene. Here benzene plus chlorine in the presence of Lewis acid FeCl3, undergo electrophilic substitution to give chlorobenzene plus HCl. Again same 3-step mechanism, formation of electrophile, that is chlorine plus Lewis acid FeCl3. It abstract chloride ion from the chlorine molecule. It gives chloronium ion is an electrophile. This chloronium ion, the electrophile attacks benzene ring, leading to the formation of resonance stabilized intermediate carbonium ion. This Cl plus ion attacking the negative end of carbon, it gives intermediate carbonium ion. These are the 3 resonating structures. It is the resonance hybrid structure of the complex. Formation of final product is the abstract of proton gives the substituted product, that is FeCl4 minus plus complex, intermediate complex. It gives chlorobenzene plus FeCl3. It is the halogenation or chlorination of benzene. Fourth one is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Here, alkyl halides react with benzene in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, undergo electrophilic substitution to give alkyl benzene. Is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Once again, benzene upon treatment with alkyl halide in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride undergo electrophilic substitution to give alkyl benzene is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Here, chemical equation is benzene plus alkyl halide in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride undergo electrophilic substitution to give alkyl benzene plus HCl. Specific example is benzene plus methyl chloride in the presence of Lewis acid AlCl3. It gives methyl benzene, toluene. Then mechanism carries 3 steps. One is formation of electrophile, that is methyl chloride plus AlCl3. It gives methyl carbonium ion, is a first electrophile. Then in the second, formation of carbonium ion as intermediate. This carbonium ion attack at the negative end of carbon to give intermediate carbonium ion. These three are delocalized resonance structures, resonance hybrid structure. Third step, formation of final product. The AlCl4 minus abstract proton from the sigma complex, resulting in the formation of methyl benzene, that is toluene. Your sigma complex plus AlCl4 minus it abstract proton to give methyl benzene plus AlCl3 plus HCl. It is the mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Next, polyalkylation. The introduction of an alkyl group in benzene activities. Benzene activates the ring for further electrophilic substitution. Thus, more than one alkyl group get attached to the benzene ring. That is, benzene treatment with methyl chloride in the presence of Lewis acid, it gives undergo electrophilic substitution to give monomethyl. Methyl benzene is called toluene. This methyl benzene can activate the benzene ring to participate further Friedel-Crafts alkylation with excess of methyl chloride in the presence of Lewis acid. It gives two types of products. 1,2 positions are ortho, 1,4 is para. Ortho dimethyl benzene is called orthoxylene. 1,4 dimethyl benzene is called paraxylene. These are the polyalkylation reaction. Next, last property, fifth property is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Here, benzene upon treatment with acid chloride or acetyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride undergo electrophilic substitution to give acetyl benzene or methyl phenyl ketone or acetophenone is called Friedel-Crafts acylation. Here, benzene plus acetyl chloride in the presence of AlCl3, it gives acetophenone, methyl phenyl ketone or acyl benzene plus HCl. The mechanism again takes place with 3 steps. One is formation of electrophile. Acid chloride reacts with AlCl3 to form acetyl carbonium ion as an electrophile. That is CH3 COCl plus AlCl3, it gives CH3 CO plus is an electrophile. This electrophile in the second step, formation of carbonium ion as intermediate. The electrophile carbonium ion attacks benzene, resulting in the formation of carbonium ion intermediate. That is CH3CO plus attacking at the negative end of carbon, it gives intermediate carbonium ion which is stabilized by resonance. It is the resonance hybrid structure. Formation of final product is AlCl4 minus abstract the proton from the sigma complex, resulting in the formation of acetophenone. That is sigma complex plus AlCl4 minus, it gives acetophenone plus AlCl3 plus HCl. With this, the chemical properties of benzene is over. Thank you.